It's official. Ling and lamb in Jamaica. Ling and lamb in Jamaica. This is the first food we're eating. Agnes. Agnes. Aunt Mays.
Coming live from Aunt Mays.
Oh, yo. The bone fall off. Boom, the crack. Oh, man. Try. You like it? Is it spicy?
No.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 oxtail inside. Huh?
That's just a portion taste.
Oh, this is for taste?
For tasting.
Okay. The plantain is gone. Oh. Baby, did you eat out of the oxtail? See, this girl is enjoying Jamaica. She can't even talk. She can't laugh anymore for you people. Oh.
But by heart, I'm Ghanaian, and by mind, I'm Jamaican.
And sorry, come again. I'm
fully Nigerian.
Yeah.
But by heart,
what is it with people wanting to claim Jamaican
You know what it is? I don't even want to claim Jamaica, but I just like their music.
Where's it come from?
It's because I like their music, so I feel like I'm now a part of them.
So when we were kids, we used to like Taylor Swift. So that means you're now white.
3 reasons why I decided to move to Jamaica. Hi, my name is Kari and I live in Jamaica. Reason 1, relationships. I've never liked white guys, and in Russia, they are pretty much the only option. I realized that my chances of meeting my man were much higher in Jamaica than in Russia. Reason 2, weather and climate. I spent almost my entire life in Russia with Moscow's climate, which is mostly gray, cold and rain. It was very hard for me to live without the sun, but in Jamaica, that's never an issue. Reason 3, people and culture. Every country has its pros and cons, but I feel much more comfortable living in the society of Jamaica than in Russia. Do you live where you want to be, or are you dreaming of moving somewhere else?
Hello guys, and welcome back again to the Black Beauty TV. And if you love Jamaica, you love the Caribbean, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to the channel as we move ahead. We are still on our Jamaican episode. Today guys, we're going to look into how, a lot of foreigners that are living in Jamaica are coming out to tell us their experience in Jamaica and why they choose to live in Jamaica. And I just heard that Jamaica gives some foreigners citizenship, and Jamaicans are wondering, why will someone like from the USA, United Arab, even Trinidadians, they are coming to be Jamaicans, Poland, Cuba, Russians. They are collecting citizenship in Jamaica. You know, when you are a Jamaican, you don't appreciate it. Foreigners are not appreciating Jamaica more than some Jamaicans. I'm not saying that Jamaicans are not appreciating their country. Of course, they are appreciating their countries. But the way foreigners are so crazy about Jamaica, I don't think Jamaicans are so crazy about Jamaica themselves like that. And that is why today we are bringing this video, guys. Let's check out those foreigners living in Jamaica, the vibe, the spirit, and what moves them. What joy, what experience have they got to tell us about Jamaica? Let's go, guys. But before anything, as I will always say, kindly like my video, subscribe to the Black Beauty TV, and anything about Jamaica, come politics, so we enter if there is something. But we're not sitting down only on politics. We also check out what is happening in Jamaica. How is the world seeing Jamaica? Everybody in the world of today, guys, listen to it. I told you every time, it's not me, the Black Beauty TV. Everywhere, everybody, in fact, the whole world is crazy about Jamaica. And I ask myself, I say, what is that thing? Let's go and watch.
So what's good about living there? And by there, they mean Jamaica. First off, while I'm cutting the papaya, fresh, real food in the States, literally everything is fake. Fruits, vegetables, everything. And then what they classify as organic is not organic. Like, stop playing. Real people. I'll say that. Because one thing a Jamaican gonna do is keep it 100 with you. Especially the elders. They might tell you a joke, but they'll never tell you a lie. Another reason why I even moved out here was mostly because I wanted to reconnect with my family that live out here. My grandma, she's a returning resident. She just retired in the States, but she's originally from Jamaica. So I really wanted to be able to spend time with her. I wanted to be able to connect with my roots, see where I'm from. And I had to get away from the U.S. doing that. Now, if you're earning a U.S. salary, the cost of living can be more affordable than the States. I love being in a new place that I can just explore and see new things and taste new foods and just really learn and understand like about the land. And I feel like if you're not actually in Jamaica, it's a little harder to like really immerse yourself in the culture. So why not move here? I know y'all want some of this papa. Go ahead. I never had papaya so good until I moved to Jamaica. I ate papaya in Bali, Indonesia, and it was good, but Jamaica? They got it. There's so many herbalists in Jamaica as well, and it's nice to be able to like get access to natural remedies and learning how to detox my body without using so much chemicals, you know? So that's another great perk. Because the Rastas, they be getting it popping with all the natural remedies and concoctions and things. It's nice to not be able to have to pick up like a pill bottle or any like medicine when I have a cold or anything. Like that prescription lifestyle, that thing will kill you. And the best part about it is a laid back lifestyle. No more hustle and bustle. It's like in the States, I couldn't like relax ever. And everything was astronomically expensive for no freaking reason. Here, I mean, things are pricey, but it's like you don't have to feel like, oh my God, I gotta work. Oh my God, I gotta... Like, you could just be like, okay, at ease. Like, simple life, relaxation. You can have a whole lot of nothing and be happy.
I've been living in Jamaica for 7 months. I moved from the UK to Jamaica. I cannot believe it's 7 months already. But everyone's been asking me for an update. So here is the update that is overdue. And I just say hi. Honestly, guys, moving from the UK to Jamaica has been the best thing I ever did. Like, I'm so at peace here. I am so happy. Like, honestly, I am happy. I'm at peace. I feel like I'm thriving. I just feel like I can achieve the things I want to achieve while being in Jamaica. I'm using my son Elijah. Everyone asks me, is going to go to school here and all them stuff. I honestly can't answer that question yet because I don't know what's going to happen in a couple of years' time. Do you know what I mean? But in this current moment, I'm happy that Elijah's here. We eat healthy food. We get vitamin D. The sun is nice. I like going to the river. I like going to the beach. I just feel like I'm much more free. You know, like when I'm in the UK, my routine is just work. And I just feel a bit sad and depressed. But here I don't feel sad. I feel happy. Like I feel like I'm in my element. I also feel like while being in Jamaica, I'm very much more connected to God. I don't know why that is, but I just pray more. Like, I just feel a better connection with him here. And maybe because in the UK, I'm so busy. Like, I'm working, come home, eat, sleep, and I'm not really having time to think. Here, I have time to think about, you know, different things, and I literally, like, just deep my life. Overall, I'm very happy that I actually took the risk and moved to Jamaica. Like, I'm very much happy here. Me, Elijah, and Dragon are happy. Like, life is good. Life is great. So, if you guys want to take a risk on something, do it. Like, at the end of the day, you only have one life. Just do something that you wouldn't expect yourself to do. Do you know what I mean?
This is so fascinating to me. I saw it in the news recently that people from all these 28 countries recently applied for and got their Jamaican citizenship. And I am a Jamaican, born and raised, 876 DNA. And when I read the article, I was genuinely curious. My first thought was, why? Why would people from these countries want to become citizens of Jamaica? And I figured, okay, maybe they want to do business in Jamaica and it's easier having Jamaican documentation. So that may be one reason. I completely understand how people can come to Jamaica and fall in love with the country. But I mean to go through the application, the documentation, go through the swearing in ceremony. I never knew that there were actually people from other countries who wanted to become Jamaican citizens. What are some of the reasons you think people would actually want to go through the legal process of becoming a Jamaican citizen? I love Jamaica. I get it. Jamaica is the place. Jamaica is it. Jamaica is that girl. But I am just curious, for people who were not born there, raised there, what exactly would motivate someone to go through the legal process to become a citizen of my lovely island home of Jamaica? We welcome you all. We welcome you to the Jamaican family. We are happy that you felt moved to become a citizen, and we certainly welcome you to the culture. I am just genuinely curious. Let me know your thoughts.
So you guys, you have heard it from the horse's mouth. From the horse's mouth, and people, foreigners living in Jamaica, you have heard it. And the last clip, I think, if I'm going to play that clip, where it shows how many people apply for citizenship in Jamaica. And there is someone from United Arab. There are Americans, as I've said, Poland and all that. But let us focus now on someone from United Arab coming into Jamaica and want to be Jamaican, or is now accepting to be a Jamaican. Anyway, we don't want to go deeply into politics, because we all know that if a Jamaican goes to United Arab and stayed even 20 how many years, they will never give you citizenship, right? But we are not looking into that part. The part we are looking into now is, wow, a lot of people are surprised. Why would someone from United Arab, like, you know, when they talk about Dubai and all those kind of Arabian or Middle East, when you want to talk this oil money and all that, but you begin to ask yourself, why will someone from like that kind of country that even some of them will stay at home and the government is doing everything to them, and you begin to ask yourself, what do they see in Jamaica that they want to be Jamaicans? You have to think deeply. Because if you don't think deeply, you will not get the banger. Someone coming from a desert and now having a paradise that looks like Garden of Eden. Are you understanding? Comparing United Arab with Jamaica, forget about the buildings and all that you see in United Arab. What do they have? They are still in the desert. Some of them cannot even enjoy outside. They are just into AC 24 hours. Is the reality. If you have gone to Middle East, I've gone to the to Qatar. And sometimes it will be 40 something in Jamaica. Yes, it is like that. Sometimes it's also hot. But you have to ask yourself, natural trees, water, everywhere. But United Arab is still like a desert. It is what it is the reality. And someone coming from a desert and seeing the Garden of Eden, which one are you going to choose? Where you can go out freely, enjoy yourself, remove your shirt, and begin to banga. Do you want that, or you want to remain in AC? How do you call it? Like, how do I even call it? Like, it's something that is not natural. You don't have that natural freshness, that natural air. So you see, those are the reasons why someone will leave United Arab and says, I want to be free in Jamaica. It's not all about having money and all that. It is the freedom. So that freedom, you get it in Jamaica. Someone coming from Poland and want to be Jamaican citizens. Someone from the US want to be Jamaican citizens. Trinidadians, I shout out to you, want to be Jamaican citizens. Yesterday, I made a video and I said, Jamaica, I didn't say it in my video, but I put it on the title, right? I said, Jamaica is taking over the Caribbean. And someone said, Jamaica is not taking over Caribbean and all that. And I want you people to hear, I want to put one short video. This one is coming from the Caribbean, not from the Black Beauty TV. They said, how will you feel? How will this going to be for you? Like, you are from the Caribbean, but you are not a Jamaican. I'm not the one saying it, though. Let's listen to it from our brothers from the Caribbean, and then we'll come back. Jamaica is the capital of the Caribbean. Whether you want to like it or not, let's check it out, guys.
Ultimately, Jamaica probably has the most influence
on the world.
Can you imagine being from the Caribbean, but it's not Jamaica. Like,
I don't know how they do it.
Can't imagine.
It's like shake and bake chicken. It tastes great, but it's just not the same. That real fried chicken.
I love my Trinidadians. I love my guys.
Love guys to death.
The chicken curry people, you know what I'm saying?
Nah. Curry chicken.
They don't know about Bammy, though.
They don't know about
I know Bammy, fam.
They don't know about Bammy and fried.
Jamaicans and like reggae and that influenced the whole world. Personally, like I think a lot of culture that has come from over there. You get me? Like, even the way the man them dress and that, from like in Bridge, everyone's loud, like super loud, like. You get me? That's a yard.
My dad is Trinidadian, and my mom is Senegal.
Okay, so you weren't Jamaican. From you saying West Indian, I knew you weren't Jamaican.
Oh yeah, because we try to separate from Jamaica.
They try to group us all together, bro. I'm from my family's from Barbados.
You know how it is. So it's like when you're watching the Olympics and shit, the last person you're rooting for is the Jamaican. That's the
bro. I swear, they're fucking the New York or the Caribbean. Like they think they're the latest people, bro.
As far as the Caribbean, are Jamaicans have the most elitist mindset of?
Yo, they're literally New York of fucking the Caribbean.
Like they think they're just better than everybody.
Better than
we the best. Everybody.
I mean, rightfully so. They have the biggest influence, the biggest music artists.
So shout out to you guys in the Caribbean, and we have heard it from our brothers and sisters from the Caribbean, not from the Black Beauty TV. If you are from the Caribbean and you're watching me, how do you feel being from the Caribbean and you are not a Jamaican? All I have to say is that I believe everybody loves their country just the way Jamaicans love their countries. And for sure, I know definitely there are some other people from the other Caribbean islands that love Jamaica. There are other Jamaicans that love other Caribbean countries. And now, guys, I want us to watch a clip before we call it a day, because I want to leave some of my clips for the next video, right? Because we have a lot of clips about Jamaica. How people are so crazy about Jamaica, but we don't want to do them in one video. Now we have to go and watch one guy, one Muzungu guy. Hey, if I say Muzungu, that's Kenyan, right? One white guy who is so obsessed or so crazy about Jamaica. And he's from Australia, telling people why he loves Jamaica, how the life is so free in Jamaica, and how in Australia you cannot get a free fruit tree outside on the street. And in Jamaica, he's like enjoying all that privilege, and he don't even feel like going back to Australia. So let's go and watch him, then we come back and see. But guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to the Black Beauty TV, share the video, like the video, because me, I love the like. That is what I always ask you guys to contribute for my channel, for the growth of my channel. And thank you so much. So let's go watch this guy from Australia, and then we'll come back and continue our video. See you guys.
So these are my reasons as an Australian as to why I never want to go back. Firstly, if I'm bored and hungry in Jamaica, I can literally just climb a tree and eat. Oh, you don't believe me? There's a mango tree behind me. You'll be able to walk past and planting. In Australia, you'll never find a fruit tree on any street. Whereas in Jamaica, any street you're on, there's a fruit tree. I'm in a suburban street. You know what I mean? There's bananas, there's ackee. So the next thing is the hustle, right? So in Jamaica, what I love, you can literally fucking get a trolley, get some towels, get some peanuts, get some June plums, maybe some jerk chicken, and you can go to any traffic light and sell it. You can't do that in Australia. If I went to the traffic lights and started selling chicken, I'd go to prison because I didn't abide by the food grade safety laws. I didn't pay my council rates. I didn't do all this fucking nonsense. You're telling me that if I want to make a quick buck, I can't sell peanuts on the side of the road? It's foolishness, man. I don't like it. The next thing is tax. Don't even get me started about tax, right? So if you're a junkie and you don't feel like paying rent and you want to stay at home and do drugs, that's all good. We'll pay you for it. You know what I mean? And guess who pays for it? Us. Every dollar you make, we're going to take 37 cents, brother. Obviously, a lot of people benefit from that. Like, you got people with disabilities, single mothers and stuff like that. But that's not the point. You want to buy yourself a property in Australia, that's all good. Be prepared to pay it off for 30 years. And that doesn't take into account interest rates, your other personal living expenses. It's just ridiculous. Like, the cost of living is absolute hog-boggle. Everywhere you have to pay tax, everywhere you have to pay living expenses and stuff. But Australia, for what you get, this is my last one, I swear, because I've been complaining a lot. So let's just say you want to go to the bar with some of your friends. You want to get yourself a beer, some potato fries, either vegetables or a salad, nice cut of beef. It's going to cost you 40 Australian dollars. Minimum. 4,000 Jamaican for a cut of beef that it's not even cooked to the way you like it. Because it's all relative, right? Because obviously if you're living in another country, for example, obviously their wages are going to be a lot different. But it's just for what you're paying for in Australia, you're paying for a very expensive quality of life, which is very strict. You don't have much freedom. I'm blessed and I'm grateful for growing up there, but I shall not be returning anytime soon. That is it. We do have nice beaches though. You've even got to pay for parking.
So there's a video, guys, I've done before, and if you have not watched that channel, you can also go and watch the channel from one Jamaican sister called Odita. I've reacted on one of her video where she says that you can never go hungry when you are in Jamaica, and it's the truth. It's the same like in other places, not only in Jamaica, I think in the Caribbean, because they said that fruits, like you can get fruits all over. You can't go hungry in the Caribbean, and especially you cannot go hungry in Jamaica except you want to go hungry. So that's coming from a guy from Australia. And I said, guys, I don't want to do long videos, and I want to stop it here so that at least we don't spoil the joy of the video. But anyway, if you have not loved the Black Beauty TV's video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe, and then see you again, guys, in another one. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for your life, and see you again, guys, in another video. Have a wonderful weekend, and see you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, yeah. From the island sun to the world stage, this is Jamaica. One love forever. From the hills of Blue Mountain to Kingston town, we carry a sound that shake the ground. Bob Marley say, get up, stand up for your rights. Now the whole wide world singing in the night.
From Usain on the track, lightning fast, to the rhythms in the dance that will always last. We small on the map, but we shine so bright, giving the world a little island life.
Jamaica to the world, we bring the love, we bring the fire. Reggae heartbeat, lifting spirits higher. From the beaches to the streets, feel the sunshine in your soul. Jamaica, forever fish on the morning plate, jerk chicken spice make the whole world wait. Patties in the oven, sweet sorrel wine, island flavor standing the test of time.
Colors of the flag flying proud in the breeze, green for the land, gold for victories, black for the strength we've carried so long, and pride in our heart is forever strong.
One island, many voices, from the drum to the bass, the world rejoices. When Jamaica talk, the world I listen. When Jamaica sing, the world I